Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to prepare and how to write inline CSS. For this, it's very simple and very easy lecture. So I'll show you step by step what we call it as inline CSS. See here, to use inline style to adding the style to a particular HTML tags directly will write the style code. So the relevant element which we require to use, there we try to implement these particular CSS properties. So let's see, just I am removing this style here from the head tag. So here we have seen like a h1 tag is here. So if I run this in a browser, it's a plain HTML it is displaying. So the tutorial is going to be you're learning, it's like a real-time professional way of coding. So try to practice more and more. You will be see a clear result on understanding things. That's why we are preparing independently and seeing the output perfectly. So now these h1 tag, how I am implementing like inline CSS. Let's see. So h1, inside the h1 there is a tag, it's a open and end tags are here, it's a open tag. So here on open tag, taking a space inside the greater than style, this style I'm writing here itself. Inside the style I'm writing a property of color colon, same thing how we have seen the syntax, same way, blue or sky blue, anything you may use, dark blue or sky blue, anything you can write, and one property I am applied. So let's see, the text is for this text, like this is h1 tag from HTML. So is it applied for color blue or not? Let's check. Save this and run over here. Wow, it is applied blue color. So if we want to apply yellow, what we do? Instead of sky blue, we try to apply yellow or yellow green, light yellow, whatever it. Save it and reload. Wow, yellow color is also applied. Have you seen the browser output? Yes, this one. So now by adding one more property after the semicolon, we have to write the property name. Text align. Yes, text align, like let's say center. Yes, and end with semicolon. So now let's see, this is the code is applying or not. Save it and refresh the browser. So the text is aligned to the center. How sweet and how simply we are controlling and handling the HTML code by applying the styles. So these things, when you are applying in a temporarily, this will be used in this particular tag here itself. If you want to write for any other p1 tag or any other, you want to write again the same style code again and again. So let's see, it's a p tag and this is paragraph tag. Alright, if I see this, save this and refresh, plainly it is showing. So if I want to apply for this inline style for this paragraph, let's see, writing of style. Yeah, and we can write like a color colon, which color we want to write. Yes, we can write here. So the color I may apply red and terminate with the semicolon. So this is the way we can implement. Save this and reload. So red color is presenting here. So how we are easily controlling by writing the inline CSS, where we are writing inside a particular HTML element by applying of the style code will be called as inline CSS. Very clearly you should understand. The style attributes can be contained any of CSS properties which will be implemented inside the HTML tags. So this is the directly applying. So where it is advantage are there for writing inline CSS or not, you will be known in upcoming lectures. So very clearly, if any temporarily if you want to write and you need to show on the same page itself, some other place you are not going to be applying the code. So then only I would suggest you to write inline CSS. Otherwise, don't entertain inline CSS. This is a very like a suggestion, a simple suggestion for you. And why? And like these are the steps you will be known in next lectures. If you want to repeat the same code again and again for applying of multiple tags, it's not possible in like writing of inline CSS. All right. So we'll catch you in next lecture by writing internal CSS. How the like CSS code is written in internal, how we are going to applying will be known very simply. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.